Yo guys, what's going on? It's your little boy, Lil BZ, bringing you a completely brand new video, something that I've not uploaded to this channel before with. But as you can tell, this is Adidas original shoe box, I can probably tell. So yeah, I'm doing a shoe unboxing, which is a first for my channel. Um, so yeah, these are these arrived today. These are called high court highs. I'm size 7, but they are just check the website, they are now literally like sold out. I was going to put a link in the description where to get them, but they are now like sold out, so you can't get these at the moment. But yeah, if you search in like the Adidas website, you can see them here. There's two color variations. So the color I got are in white. So yeah, this is a first unboxing for me doing on this channel with shoes, to be more precise. So yeah, these are what I've got. These are high tops. So yeah, these what they look like. So the front, and then that's the side, and then the back, and then same side again. Yeah, these look actually like 6 chips. These look, I need to like to get some new shoes anyway, but I thought I'd like to treat myself. So that's one, and then these is the left side. I don't know what the inside is like. There that's the inside. Oh, get off. So yeah, it's gonna be sort of like a short video doing this anyway. As I said, these are new unboxing to my channel. So this is a very first of many firsts and many other things to my channel. So yeah, I thought I'd do this quick little video on some shoe unboxing, which is quite unusual for me to do, because normally my unboxings do with like controllers and me doing live streaming, which I still do to this day. This is a very first unboxing for me on this channel for me. So yeah, so let me know how you guys doing during this whole lockdown pandemic. Let me know how you are, how you're coping, what you're doing, if you're working or not. So yeah, let me know. Yeah, it'd be much appreciated if you subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, and yeah, thank you for joining this little unboxing of these Adidas original high court high tops. Subscribe to the new, and yeah, peace out guys.